coming to the next formulas, that is based on, so we have completed based on age and its limitation. Now it is based on weight and its formulas. So based on weight, what this based on weight means what? With the increase in weight, then dose is also increases. Dose is also increases. With the increase in weight, dose is also increases. With the increase in weight, dose is also increases. So this is the meaning of this formula. So what is a Clerk's formula? So this is one of the important previous year GPAT question in 2016 asked GPAT question. So that is which of the following formula is based on weight? That is Clerk's formula is based on weight. So that is dose to be calculated. What is the exact formula? Dose to be calculated is equals to, that is weight, especially it is based on weight, right? Not age. Weight in pounds, weight in lbs by 150 into adult dose, and one more formula is there, that is weight in kgs. What it is? Weight in kgs, especially weight in what? Weight in kgs by 70 into adult dose. So here lb means what? Pounds. lb means pounds, that is nothing but, so weight in lbs by 150 into adult dose. Weight in kgs by 70 into adult dose. Okay. So I think you already know it. So I'll write once again. So 1 kg is equals to how many pounds? 1 kg is equals to 2.2 pounds. 1 kg is equals to 2.2 pounds. 1 kg is equals to how much? 2.2 pounds. So this is very, very important. So anyway, you will study this in calculations. Okay. So this is also important. One of the previous year asked question. That is 1 kg is equals to 2.2 pounds. As we have seen pound here, I told you that. So we are having two formulas here. One is based on pounds and the other one is based on kgs. So that is weight in lbs or pounds by 150 into adult dose, and the next one is weight in kgs by 70. Okay, because kgs is less whereas pounds is more. So that's why this is 150 and here you will have 70. Okay, into adult dose. Adult dose is common. So what is this formula? This formula is nothing but weight based formula, and it is saying that if weight increases, then dose is also increased. So coming to the formula, so we are having one question, that is adult dose is 5 mg, and then calculate the child dose for 12 years boy weighing of 25 kgs. So if they gave both, if they gave you both years and weight, then try to calculate on weight first. First try to calculate on weight. Means first use Clerk's formula. If your options are not matching, then go for Young's formula. Mostly if they gave you weight, that indicates that you should follow Clerk's formula. That is the meaning of it. Okay. So adult dose is equals to 5 mg. So now what is our Clerk's formula? So how much it is given? It is given in kgs. Kgs means I should not use Pond's formula. I should use kgs formula. That is dose is equals to how much? Weight in kgs. What it is? Weight in kgs by 70 into adult dose. By 70 into adult dose. So the given, that is adult dose is equals to how much given? 5 mg. Adult dose given is 5 mg. And age in years is 12 years. I am not using that. So I am not using that years. So I am using weight. Weight is equals to how much? 25 kgs. Weight is equals to how much? 25 kgs. Then the dose that is to be calculated is equals to weight in kgs. How much it is? 25 by 70 into what is the adult dose that is given? 5. Okay, so that is 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 fours are. So you can calculate that by using anything that is feasible to you. Okay, so whatever feasible to you, you can follow it. 4s are 20. Okay, so then so 2, so the dose is equals to 2.03, like that. Approximately it is 2. So you can write the dose calculated approximately it is 2 mg. Approximately it is how much? It is 2 mg. So nearly they'll give you options, they won't give you much variation in your calculation, so that just put the near option. Don't waste your time, because your exam is options, not theory. So you are not going to write the steps in it, they are not going to correct and give based on your steps. So just calculate as fast as possible, such that you can get some time in studying other questions and have an approximate answer, that is 2. You will have mostly 2, 10, 40 or 0, 0.1, like that. So great variation will be there in your options, such that you can identify the options as 2. Okay. So if you calculate the same thing, in as they gave us years also, I am calculating the same by using Young's formula. So what it is? That is, age is equals to how much? So they gave us 12. So I am using Young's formula. Dose is equals to 12 by 12 plus 12 into how much adult dose? That is 5. That is 12 by 24 into 5. 12 ones are 12 twos are 24, right? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but so that is 2.5. So approximate answer we got by using both the formulas actually. So by using Clerk's formula we got 2. By using Young's formula we got 2.5. So mostly approximate answers will be there, means you can calculate approximately and you can put the correct option which is matching to you. Okay. So we got near answers. So that is our Young's formula. By using Young's formula it is 2.5 mg. By using Clerk's formula it is 2 point change, like that. Okay. So coming to the next problem, that is adult dose is equals to, so AD they given is equals to how much they gave? 5 mg. AD that is given is 5 mg. And coming to child dose, that is given in years, again they gave years, but I am calculating only kgs, that is weight is equals to 21 kgs. So the formula what it is? Dose is equals to, dose to be calculated is equals to how much it is? How much it is? So what is the formula that I need to calculate here? So that is, what is the formula? Weight in kgs by, weight in kgs by what? Weight in kgs by 70 into adult dose. That is equal to, so weight in kgs how much it is? 21. So already the formula is 70. What is the adult dose that they gave? 5. Okay. So in simple it is cut in 7 table. 7 threes are 7 ones are. Okay. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So that is 2 ones are 2. 1 remaining 0.0. So that is, in simple the answer is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equals to how much it is? 1.5 mg. What it is? 1.5 mg. Dose that you need to calculate, that you need for a 12 years a boy who is weighing off, whose weight is 21 kgs, the dose required is 1.5 mg. So this is based on Clerk's formula. What it is? Clerk's formula. Remember, it is weight based one is only Clerk's formula. What it is? Clerk's formula. Clerk's formula is equals to weight in kgs by 70 into adult dose. So after writing the given, that is 21 is given already, weight of the child, by 70 is already given, into 5, that is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 upon calculating, we will get 1.5 mg. So the correct option and exact option is 1.5 mg. So coming to the next one, so they gave you adult dose is 150 mg per kg. Mg per kg means what? Especially they are telling you that to use, especially they didn't give you directly adult dose, they gave you that is mg per kg. And available tablets of strength 2 mg. So they want to confuse you, so that they'll give you this type of sentences in your problem. But don't confuse, but just concentrate on the given, what are essential to calculate the formula. Anyway, the first important criteria that I need is weight. And I don't bother about the age that is given. So weight given is 35 kgs. So the given is nothing but they gave you adult dose, that is 150 mg per kg. They gave you that, and not only that, they also gave you the weight that is required. So what is the weight that is given of a child? That is 35 kgs. Now substitute in the formula, that is Clerk's formula. Already you know the formula, I am not writing it. So that is weight in kgs. What is that kgs? 35 divided by, so Clerk's formula as it is based on kgs, it is 70. If it is in pounds, then I will write it as 150. Now adult dose, what is the adult dose that is given? 150. 0, 0 cancel. 7 ones are 7 5s are 5 5s are 25. So that is 75. What is the exact dose that is required? 75 mg. So 5 15s are, that is 75. That is nothing but exact dose that is required is 75 mg of the dose that is required for a boy who is having the age of 14 years and weight of 35 kgs. Now tell me, what is the limitation of this? So now we will study about the limitation of this. So what is the exact limitation of this this topic? The limitation of this is, as I told you, what is the limitation of this rule? That is, with the increase in weight, usually dose should be increased, right? So based on this, we are having one problem. Why? Because if weight is increased, dose is increased. That's okay. In geriatrics, the weight is decreased, their metabolism is decreased. So based on their weight, that is also okay. But compared to if a child who is having overweight, for example, in Japan usually what is the weight of children? In India, it is nearly 10 to 15 kgs or below 20 kgs. The weight of the children is nearly below 20 kgs. But in Japan or some other Korean countries like that, you will call those children as sumos. So in there, the children's weight is nearly more than 100 kgs. So if that is the scenario, but the child is fat, but his development of enzymes, his development of metabolic system is not so exactly same as that of an adult. So it doesn't indicate that it is not applicable for sumos who are overweight. Those are called as sumos. So overweight patients, overweight children, that is more than 100 kgs. So for those type of children, usually this Clerk's formula is not applicable. Okay, so because the weight is not same in all the countries, right? And compared to child, if child weight is 100 kgs, it doesn't mean that all the enzymes are present in his body and all the systems are active in his body as an adult. That is not the scenario. So because of that reason, the weight is also not a correct measurement to calculate the dose. Okay, so that was the limitation based on your weight. So coming to the next topic, that is based on body, next heading. So we have seen based on age, we have seen based on weight. Now we are going to see based on body surface area. So why it is very important to calculate or to study on body surface area? Why? Because why it is very important is because usually ADME is dependent on body surface area. ADME is not dependent on age. ADME is not dependent. ADME means what? Pharmacokinetic parameters. That is nothing but absorption, distribution, absorption. So that is ADME means absorption, distribution, metabolism and elimination. So those are pharmacokinetic parameters. In simple, you can say that if this is the surface area, okay, so if this is the surface area, so of your stomach or something, so based on this surface area only, your absorption is dependent, okay. So based on this only, your distribution is dependent. So absorption is dependent means first step is dependent. So remaining all steps are dependent on it. So based on if absorption is more, distribution is more. Distribution is more, then metabolism is more. If metabolism is more, elimination is more. So all are interlinked. So because of that reason, ADME is mainly dependent on what? Body surface area. ADME doesn't know what age is his. I mean what age the patient is having, what weight the patient is having. Apart from all these parameters, only the surface area has more importance, have gained the vast importance in calculating the formulas. Okay, in calculating the doses. So most potent drugs are administered based on body surface area. Based on body surface area. So the dose you need to, so what is that formula is called as? The formula that you need called based on body surface area, we are having one formula. What is that formula? That is Katz's formula. What it is? Katz's rule. What it is? Katz's rule. So according to this, what is the formula? So that is nothing but, that is body surface area in meter square. What it is? In meter square. Body surface area by 1.73. This is body surface area of an adult, normal adult, average adult body surface area 1.73 into adult dose. Into what? Into adult dose. Into adult dose. Okay. So the formula, Katz's rule is nothing but body surface area in meter square by 1.73 into adult dose. Okay. So this is called as Katz's rule. What it is called as? It is called as Katz's rule. So coming to the adult dose is 350. So now I am calculating this based on this. So Katz's formula, what is Katz's formula? That is, what is Katz's formula? Katz's formula is nothing but, that is body surface area, okay, body surface area in meter square. What it is in meter square by average adult's body surface area is 1.73 into adult dose. So based on this formula, I am calculating. So what they gave us? So they gave us adult dose is 346. Adult dose is 346 mg mg per meter square they gave us. So when you see this meter square, that indicates you should use Katz's formula. The meaning of it is you should use Katz's formula. And then 346 mg they gave us. And coming to body surface area, how much they gave us? BSA, body surface area, that is given, that is 0. How much? 0.75 meters square. So calculating and substituting these values in our formula, how much we got? That is dose is equals to body surface area in meter square is 346 by 1.73 into adult dose, that is, so what is the body surface area in meter square? 0.75 in meter square. Okay, 1.73 is average adult meter square, means average adult body surface area in meter square, into what is the adult dose that is given? 346. So this is upon calculating this. So if you consider this point, cancel, point is cancelled, and again this is 1731 za, this is 2 za. 75 plus 75, how much it is? 75 2 za. So you will get 7 2 za 10, 7 2 5 2 za 10, and 7 2 za 14, 15. So how much the answer is? That is dose calculated as 150 mg. So the dose required is 150 mg. How much the dose is required? 150 mg. So body surface area, so the Katzel's formula is body surface area in meter square by 1.73. 1.73 is nothing but it is an average adult body surface area into adult dose. So here they gave you the given values are adult dose is 346 and they gave body surface area is 0.75. Upon substituting all these values, I got it as 150. So 150 mg is called as 150 mg is the required 150 mg is the required amount, required dose for a particular body surface area of 0.75 meter square. So how I can calculate this body surface area? So body surface area can be calculated in olden days. Usually the height is calculated in feet. Okay, usually the height is calculated in feet, but now here we are having one formula that is called as Mostellar's equation. What it is? Mostellar's equation. So very, very important actually, not asked. So but we are having one formula that is under root of height in centimeters into so that is height in centimeters and weight in kgs coming to Mostellar's equation. So body surface area is equals to height in centimeters by into weight in kgs by 3600. So this is the important equation that is used to calculate the body surface area. But usually the questions are not given from this formula. Only you need to just, they'll ask the name of it. Mostellar's equation is used for what? Especially that is used for calculating body surface area. Okay. So how much is the percentage of adult dose if the age given is 12 years? So how much it is? So if the age given is, so the adult dose or the dose to be calculated, that is equal to how much is the percentage of adult dose, means what? If you calculate, if you substitute that in your formula, that is the age given is 12 years, right? And then you are having, they didn't give you adult dose, right? Just they gave you 12 plus 12. So the dose that is to be calculated, that is, so they didn't give you adult dose. They are asking how much is the percentage of adult dose that is required to calculate. How much is the adult dose that is required to calculate? The dose required is, so they gave you only age, that is 12. If the age is 12, then how much percentage is the adult dose that is required for child dose? That is nothing but the child dose is, so 12 by 24 into adult dose, that is equal to 12 ones are 2s are, that is D is equal to, so that is nothing but how much adult dose I have to use for child dose? Usually half of the adult dose, means 50%. If the option is 50%, you can put it as 50% of the adult dose. How much child dose that I can use if the age is 12 years? And if they didn't give you the correct options like adult dose, then you can half the dose of adult dose. Means just halving whatever adult dose that is given, half of it if you use, that will be your child dose. So the child dose is equals to 12 by 12 plus 12 into adult dose. So this is simply a formula. So a simple calculation, that is nothing but child dose is equals to 1 by 2 of adult dose. How much adult dose? 1 by 2 of adult dose, half of it. Suppose adult dose is 100 mg. Without calculating, if the age is 12 years, without calculating, you can tell it as 50 mg. Half of it will be your child dose. So just to know, for knowledge sake, I gave you this. So next one is, which of the following is the accurate value dose calculations of the child? So we have seen so many limitations. In age, we have seen a limitation. In weight, we have seen a limitation. In age, geriatric patients, in weight, usually the other country people, children are so weight, their weight is so high, it is more than 100 kgs. At that time also, the Clerk's formula is not applicable. So which is the accurate one? Accurate value without any limitations. So the body surface area is the only correct option to calculate the doses. So weight is not that much accurate. We are having limitations for it, and age is also not correct one, because we are having also limitations for that. Only body surface area, that is nothing but Katzel's formula. So what is the Katzel formula? That is equal to Katzel's formula, body surface area in meter square by 1.73 into adult dose is your Katzel's formula. That is especially used in calculating body surface in dose by using body surface area as a primary index. Okay. So these are nothing but posology calculations. So we have covered all calculations, that is based on age, that is based on weight, that is based on body surface area. So we have not left any question. We have also covered Fred's formula, Cowling's formula. So whatever that is important for your exam. So this is a complete information about your posology calculations. Thank you.